talking about Service Advisor 101, and that is certain key elements that are important through the transaction. The first and foremost is greet that customer. Try to greet them within no more than a minute, because a minute to you might be like 4 or 5 minutes to them. Now, what is a greet? Sometimes, like I said, we give them the finger. We say, hey, I'll be right with you. I'll finish something, but it's that acknowledgement that is considered a greet. So then is the greet, and we'll walk through the process. With the greet, in an ideal situation, you introduce yourself because they may have forgotten. You should also have a name tag in the best case scenario, so it's easy for the customer to identify with you. It's always great to do the walk around the car. Can't be emphasized enough. It builds rapport, it builds trust. You can talk about things like, oh, that's a really nice car. I love that color. You know, the bumper stickers, they like camping, you like camping, whatever it might be. But again, it's in the interest of developing the rapport, not to become their best friend. So that's the walk around. Then go over what I call the contract. And the contract is, what are we going to do today? What time will it be ready, or will I get the estimate? How much money is the estimate? How much money are we looking at spending? What time, how long can I pick it up? And then the act of delivery.